American Rumba cradle circle. Quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow. Quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow. Quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow. As always, with our back step, now here finishing it to the side. Here we're doing small separation, pushing away from each other. Quick, quick, slow. In this case, we're already in this cradle movements. We go around each other, quick, slow. Now our followers breaking, doing a back basic, break, and leaders going to the side. Quick, quick, slow. And from here we're exiting. Quick and quick, slow.